We are working to increase awareness for updating the BOCES state aid formula. We had brought this forward when they were studying foundation aid, but really bringing it forward again that the formula needs to be updated to better help our districts support our programs.
We have 24 different programs. We're growing with 2 additional programs for next school year as well, emerging technologies and plumbing, which we're very excited about. And we run the gamut from anything from building trades, automotive technologies, networking, CNA, to home health aides, to everything in between.
We're the future nurses.
How has this program helped you commit to this field? How did you know that you wanted to go into nursing?
My grandma, she was an LPN when she was younger, and my mom, she worked with a lot of mentally disabled adults, so it kind of inspired me to want to do that.
I really always liked helping people. So then when I took this class, we went to the nursing home and then we went to different facilities and we saw a lot of healthcare, and I just realized I want to be there for people at their most vulnerable times.
Both of my sisters are LPN, and they did their CNA through BOCES as well. So they really told me it's a really good program to get into, and they put your foot in the door into the nursing.
I always wanted to be a labor and delivery nurse. That's what my heart was always set on. And I think taking this class, even if you're not sure where you want to go, like Diana said, you're getting your foot in the door. It's really good exposure.
Yeah. Fantastic.
How old were you when you decided that was it?
I was probably 10.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I always had my heart set.
Yeah, that's great.
That's great.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
This is 100% authentic learning, rooted in industry standards. We're just looking to increase the access and the opportunity, for all students.